Hey everyone, today we're at 511 Brockton Avenue in the city of Redlands. This is a 2-bed, 1-bath unit here, major cross streets, Brockton and Post. As you can see, this is an upstairs unit. You do have really good sized patio there that we'll check out. Walking in, you do have this spacious main living space. Excuse me. And then, of course, flowing nicely into the dining area and kitchen. Kitchen does include all appliances shown, all stainless steel. You also have some updated countertops and slow close cabinets. It's another look at this kitchen. And then turning back around to living space and dining. This is that large balcony here. This does face south, facing Brockton. Really good size there. As you can see, you do have some hallway storage options with a linen closet there and a coat closet here as well. The bathroom is a really good size here. Single sink, lots of space though. And then you do have this shower tub combo with updated tile enclosure. First bedroom here on the right is the bigger bedroom of the two. That is probably a queen size bed there. And then you do have this triple door closet here. It's the entire length of the wall essentially. Plenty of closet space. This room does look north, and so it is typically pretty shaded back here. And then the other bedroom here is the smaller of the two, but still a good size, queen size bed in here as well. Again, does face north. Really nice size unit. You do have laundry unit accessible, which is exclusive to this building. So it is shared with your neighbors. You also have carport parking as well as street. And so if you are interested, head to our website at truedoorpm.com for scheduling and application information. Again, 511 Brockton Avenue, Unit D. Thanks, guys.